Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete a Facebook account permanently. So if you want to completely delete your Facebook account, I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. So to delete your Facebook account, first you want to head over to the Facebook app or website. And once you're on the Facebook app, you're going to want to click on the menu option in the bottom right corner of the screen, or just find the menu option on your Facebook. And then once you find it, you're going to be brought to this page here, and you want to scroll down until you see the option for settings and privacy. Once you find settings and privacy, you want to find settings inside of settings and privacy. So once you find your settings, you just want to click on it. It'll bring you to the settings and privacy page. On this page, you're going to want to look for Meta Accounts and Center. So it's not down there and anywhere, it's in the Meta Accounts Center. So once you find that, click on it, it'll bring you to this page here. From this page, you're going to want to find personal details, which is right underneath account settings. So find account settings and then find personal details. Once you find it, you can go ahead and click on it, and it'll bring you to the personal details page. On this page, you're going to want to find account ownership and control. And once you find it, just click on it and it'll bring you to the next page. And here, there's two options. You want to find deactivation or deletion. Once you find it, click on it, and it'll bring you to this page here, and you want to choose which account you want to delete. So choose the account you want to delete, it'll bring you to this page, and you want to choose delete account instead of deactivate account. Once you choose delete account, you just want to click continue, and then you can click continue as well. You don't actually have to put anything down. And it's going to put all these options down right here. You can read through all of it if you want to, but if you don't care, then you can just go ahead and click continue after you read through all that. Once you click continue, it's going to bring you to the next page, and on this page it's going to ask you to put in your password. Go ahead and do that. And once you do that, you can click continue. Once you click continue, it's going to bring you to another confirm page, and just click the delete account. You will be able to log in for 30 days, and if you re-log back in, then that will reactivate your account and it won't be deleted. But if you just leave your account alone for 30 days, then it will completely delete your account. And as you can see, the account is now scheduled for deletion. So that is how you delete an account on Facebook. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.